Hi, my name is Stephanie Wade. This is assignment 5.1. We have two different bowling scores, and we are going to see if a 15-minute coaches session in between the bowling scores is a significant difference in the amount of increased bowling score. So the first thing we want to do is we are going to go through our checklist and make sure that our data set is normally distributed. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find the difference in our two. So we are going to go to transform and compute variable, and we are going to name this variable difference, and we are going to do the difference in game one minus the game, there we go, game two minus game one, and hit OK. So from this, we will notice that we have our differences. Where we are wanting to do next, again, is we are going to check for our normal distribution. So in order to do that, we are going to go to transform, and we've done that one right. We're going to go to analyze, okay, and then from analyze, we're going to get our descriptive statistics and our frequencies, and we want our variable to be our difference. So we're going to go to our chart, and we are going to choose histogram and continue, and then click OK. Now from here, we're going to go down and we're going to look at our histogram. We notice that our histogram is a basic curve, bell-shaped curve, so we are good to go with that, and we know our data is normal distribution. Okay, so next what we want to do is we want to run our sample t-test. So we are going to go to analyze, and then we're going to go to compare means and proportion. And then from here, we are going to do our paired sample t-test. Now, we are going to go ahead and go variable one is game one, and variable two is game two. With this right here, we are going to hit OK. Okay, and then we are going to pull up our sample t-test. As you can see, the difference in our mean is 0.94 and 0.95 is the difference in the two means in game one and game two. And then from here, we can see that we have a correlation of 0.55. So there's a possibility that there is a difference, but we are going to, there is a difference, there's an effect of the 15-minute lesson. So we are going to come down here, and we are going to look at our two-tailed t-test, make that bigger. We're going to look at our two-tailed t-test, and it is 0.108. So since it is greater than the p of 0.05, we are going to reject the null that there is no difference and assume that the 15-minute session made a difference between game one and game two.